How to download Need for Speed Most Wanted on PC or laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you download or install Need for Speed Most Wanted on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your system. So right now I'm opening the Chrome browser. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the search field you'll have to type for Steam, and after you type this you'll have to hit the enter. Alright, so after you search it, you'll be able to see the official URL of the Steam. So you have to visit the official website of Steam. So simply click on it. Alright, so after you come on the official page of Steam, you'll have to go to the option source, and in the source field, you'll have to type for Need for Speed. Alright, so after you search Need for Speed, you'll be able to see such options from here. So from here, you'll have to go to the option Need for Speed Most Wanted. So simply you have to click on it. Alright, so after this, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like select a subscription. So from here, you'll have to click on it. And now from here, you'll have to choose one subscription from here, as you can go with the monthly subscription or you can go with the 12-month subscription. So from here, you can choose any subscription. And now from here, you'll have to go the option add to cart. So simply click on it. Alright, so from here, you'll have to go the option continue shopping. So simply click on it. Alright, so from there, after you made a payment using your credit card or debit card, you'll be able to easily download or install Need for Speed Most Wanted on your PC or laptop. So from there, you can easily enjoy this game on your PC. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.